Is it time to buy or sell ARGX SE stock? In this video, we are diving deep into ARGX SE. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of August, 2025, our system has ranked ARGX SE as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.90. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of approximately 10%. This translates to an average return of about 1/3 of 1% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 41.61% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 41.61% and 62.81%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 11.52%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 12.71% to positive 21.1% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 620.68 and 861.10. Our latest daily update for ARGX SE includes the headline, ARGX SE stock price down 2.56% on Thursday. The ARGX SE stock price decreased by 2.56% on the last day, Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, dropping from $729.76 to $711.09. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.48%, ranging from a low of $698.92 to a high of $723.25. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 6.87% during this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 181,000 shares, albeit amidst falling prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 351,000 shares were traded, amounting to approximately $249,880,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $779.03, while the lowest was $510.06. Currently, the stock price is 8.72%, or $67.94, below the 52-week high of $779.03, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. ARGX has experienced a busy few weeks. In late August, the company reported positive top-line results from the pivotal ADAX-SARIN Phase 3 study of VYVGART in AChR-AB, seronegative generalized myasthenia gravis. They announced plans to submit a supplemental biologics license application to the FDA by the end of 2025. This clinical success serves as an immediate near-term catalyst, with expectations of continued price momentum as investors consider a larger addressable market and an upcoming regulatory milestone. On the operational front, FUJIFILM Biotechnologies has expanded its partnership with ARGX to include U.S. drug substance manufacturing in Holly Springs, starting in 2028. This strategic move reduces manufacturing risk and supports U.S. commercialization scale, clearly benefiting long-term supply reliability and gross margin leverage. Management has been proactive, hosting a special call, a research and development webinar on ARGX 119, and multiple investor presentations. These efforts enhance visibility and generate short-term volatility around event dates. In summary, recent data and the manufacturing agreement strengthen the bullish case for the stock and may lead to an uplift in the near term. However, long-term success will hinge on approval, commercial execution, manufacturing ramp-up, and reimbursement dynamics. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 11th of September 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned ARGX a hold grade alongside a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 26th of August 2025, it was noted that Piper Sandler assigned ARGX an overweight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 26th of August 2025, Jefferies also rated ARGX with a buy grade and a hold action. On Monday, the 25th of August 2025, RBC Capital rated ARGX as outperform with an initialize action. On Monday, the 4th of August 2025, Barclays assigned ARGX a grade of overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned ARGX SE stock an overall buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for ARGX SE. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 8th of September 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 7.41%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. The ARGX SE stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is concurrently a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal is indicated for the stock, presenting a positive forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $731.16. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support from the long-term average at around $706.69. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 51 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 39 days ago. For more signals and insights, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for ARGX SE. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $670.33 and $555.19. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, ARGX SE finds support just below today's level at $670.33. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $555.19 and $551.22. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $24.33 between its high and low, or 3.48%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.82%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for ARGX SE, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of October, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at $4.34. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ARGX SE. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ARGX SE is at $722.01. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, ARGX SE encounters its first support level at $670.33. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $679.39, reflecting a decline of 4.46%. This stock experiences medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is ARGX SE stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators are negative, which we believe will impact the development in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that the price will rise during or at the conclusion of this 3-month period. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, September 26th, we anticipate that ARGX SE will open lower by 330 cents and begin trading at $711.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.